Hello, my name is Joshua Davis. The goal of this video is to deconstruct the spellcasting mechanic in Skyrim for the PS4 and Wizard 101 for the PC. Both have types of spells to cast. Wizard 101 has Storm, Ice, Fire, Death, Myth, Life, Balance, Airstral, and Shadow, as well as Fishing and Gardening, which we'll talk about later. Skyrim has Alteration, Illusion, Destruction, Conjuration, Restoration, and also Enchanting, which we'll also talk about later. These also have subcategories like Fire and Ice for destruction. Casting is done very different in Wizard 101 than in Skyrim. Skyrim has a cast anywhere style, while Wizard 101 has a cast only in battle style. This makes sense because Skyrim does not start a battle instance when running into an enemy, like Wizard 101 does. There's also some spells in Skyrim that are helpful out of combat, such as Invisibility and Night Vision, as well as Muffle. The only non-combat spells in Wizard is used for gardening, and the player must be in their home, and also fishing. These games also have similarities. Skyrim uses a magic bar to control maximum spellcasting, while Wizard uses a mana orb. Skyrim uses a variable number for spell cost that changes based on perks bought and armor worn. Wizard uses set values on cards that only change if a special card is played on it to reduce the cost. These are pretty rare. Either way, if the bar or orb reaches 0, no more casting is allowed until the player finds a way to restore mana. Another difference is how to restore mana. Skyrim has the player slowly restore mana in and out of battle, and the player can use mana potions. Wizard only allows restoring mana out of battle by picking up mana orbs and also the potion bottle. This is important because running out of mana in either game at the wrong time causes major problems. For Wizard, the player will more than likely have to leave the battle, which means you lose. In Skyrim, if the player is not purely a mage, they can swap weapons or run. I mostly run. In Skyrim, there is an edge case, where the player can enchant their armor for a reduction to cost on a casting class. If the player does this for all the gear they wear, they can make at least one type of casting cost nothing. This opens up spam casting. But of course, I don't have the things I need to show this. Wizard 101 has some things that cost 0, but this was set up that way on purpose, and is useless if playing by yourself anyway. Wizard does have an edge case in gardening, where the player is allowed to cast a plant plot on an item, remove the item, and plant another plant plot under it. Players have named this plant stacking. This was not intended, but players have taken advantage of this to plant larger gardens in a smaller space. I hope you enjoyed my breakdown of spellcasting in these two games. Thanks for watching.